Hello crafters, this is Suzanne for Cat Scrappiness, and I'm here with a super cute release of embellishments, some shaker kits, and a Halloween paper pack. Yay! Alrighty, let's go into it. Let's see all the goodies. Let's get started. Okay, crafters, so first up, Cat has a new Halloween paper pack, 6x6 double-sided paper pack with 12 patterns, 4 designs of each, called Creepy and Kooky. Now, I already pulled my pad apart because I had to play with it. But look at all these wonderful papers. Love all these fun Halloween colors. It's creepy, but not crazy creepy. So this is a 6x6 paper pack. She also has a bunch of Halloween embellishments to work back with this paper pack for any project that you're doing. Look at all the Halloween embellishments. Let's just take a quick peek at that as well. We have Pumpkinlicious. Some of these are brand new and some are from before, but they're all good. Embellishments like shaker bits and all of this, you can use it to decorate your card. You can also use it for your shakers. Halloween night sequins, candy corn, Halloween mouse sprinkles. You know what that is. And Halloween confetti sprinkles. Matches perfectly with the paper pack, as you can see. Super duper cute. Pick your poison. I'm only going to give you just a few because this is a lot, which is good. Options and choices. Ghoulish ghost sprinkles. We have, this is nice as loose shaker bits. If you want your shaker card to have a lot of interaction and shaky noise, use beads. See? You can hear them. As opposed to clay, nothing. Spooky ghost. Halloween party. Look, even if you're doing like a trick-or-treat bag, look at that M&M one. Isn't that cute? Chocolate candy sprinkles. Love. And then we have some aliens, some All Hallows Eve with some clear ghosts, more ghosts, boo-hoo. Yes. You see a lot of shakers coming from me with this kit, right? And look at the colorway. Bootacular with the purples and blacks and everything. This is exciting. You know I love Halloween. And these have all the colors and choices. Halloween icons with pumpkins. There we go. Ooh. And more. This is more of like a pastel-oween type of colorway. Like a cream orange purple. So for those of you who do pastel-oween, these two are perfect. Groovy Ghouls and Trick or Treat. If you want to do it super bright orange, here we go. Jack-o'-lanterns. There are some paper packs out there that are this kind of colorway. Ooh, love. Halloween Masquerade Sequins Mix. I love the sparkly, so many choices. But this would definitely be an add to cart. Purple eyes, definitely add to cart. Hocus pocus. All right. I wasn't going to go through the whole thing, but obviously I just did. But it's a lot of Halloween goodness. And this paper pack also goes with a lot of Cat's existing Halloween dies. So I brought a few just to show you. I'm going to put the name here on the screen. This wonderful spiderweb set. You can use it as an accent. And then this center spiderweb with 2 cute spiders. So you're going to be seeing examples from me. Well, actually, my first example, there you go with the paper pack. This is the, I'll put the name of this die right here. And then there is the spiderweb, Happy Halloween. That's also in Cat's store. It's a word die set, love, with a piece of embellishment, a piece of foam in there. Oh my gosh, you can tell I was playing with it. 3 3/4 of an inch wide by almost 1 3/4 inch tall. 1 3/4 inch tall. That's funny. Look at my foam. Right there. Super cute. And let's talk about the ghost with the most. She has a bunch of ghosts. So I'm putting the names here on the screen because I don't have it written here in the back. You get 5 ghosts and I'm using Girly Ghost. I turned her into a girl. And she's holding a piece of candy. Candy and the bow right there. Super duper cute. Could put the broom too. Next, there's also this creepy, spooktacular one. Crafters Essentials Halloween Dies. Love, love. This fence can be used for an A2 card, 5x7, and then full slimline. Let me give you the length of it. 7¼ inch wide by, let's say 1¼ inch tall. You get two little, is it tombstones? Headstones? Bats, moon, pumpkin, and then this adorable tree. So there are some Halloween die sets. I will put links below for that so you can check that out. And let me show you another quick example before I go. Using this set. I kind of mixed the sets up, to be honest with you. But here is the tree. There is the headstone. And I took the RIP from this one and used it in this one. Did some ink blending, as you can see. Some metallic ink. Halloween is here. So that's from the same die. I just separated it from the happy. You see? Cute. Right there. Just that little point right there. I just clipped that just to be able to fit it here with the pumpkin. There is the fence in the background. Here is the pattern paper. And that's the moon in gold. Because, of course, it's a golden moon for Halloween. I was having so much fun with this. You just don't know. I love Halloween. And I was enjoying this paper pack. Alrighty, crafters. Check out everything below. Moving on. So, along with the Halloween goodies, there are some new shaker packs from Cat Scrappiness. I started playing with this one on the other side. That's the beauty of these shaker packs. You can play with both sides. I did make a boo-boo on the other side, so I'm not going to show you because it was a boo-boo. But the beauty of it is with these shaker packs, you can do this side, which is lighter, or the back side here. So I had my little boo-boo on the front. So I'm going to fix this part. I'm going to put some gesso and then do something up with it. Let me give you a measurement. So this is a winter hat, snowman hat. It's the fireplace. You're looking at 4¾ inch tall by 3¼ inch wide. And then there's some circles. Now I did use the circle and make an example to show you guys. So, and this kit comes with everything. You get the foam. You get the acetate and the topper, and there you go. You just sprinkle your bits, stick it all down, ready to go. And these wonderful shaker kits, there's a whole lot of them. So a lot of us design team members, we're called the creative crew. The creative crew members, we all got different ones. So there's a whole new selection of these, and these beauties are made in the Ukraine. So if you want to support what's going on in the Ukraine, and these are new, so go ahead and, maybe get some of these wonderful sets. Definitely great for crafting with kids, grandkids, because of the fact that this is like ready to go. All you need is just some liquid glue, some adhesive, and you are done. There's no rocket science to it. You could even make the card just with this if you don't want to have to paint it or anything, but whatever medium you want to use on it. It can take heat embossing. It can take wet applications like gesso, paint, stuff like that. It will handle it, okay? And it's two-sided. So when you make a boo-boo on one side, you can use the back side. There is this 3-circle one, and I used one of the circles and created this card. A cute little mini slimline card. Love. So now this paper pack is an oldie from Cat, but definitely a goodie. Look at that colorway. Love. It has like browns and this kind of turquoise and turquoisey mint with teal and then reds. Oh yeah. This one is a cozy Christmas. It is a slimline pattern pack, but you can use it for everything. It is 10¾ by 4 inches wide. So it is even longer than a standard slimline, but there you go. That's a good example of the colorway. So I used a circle on the top. I went ahead and dabbed some glue, sprinkled some glitter, took a circle punch to get the circle to fit within this for my candy cane. Put some more of Cat's winter shaky bits, which I'm about to show you. And this sentiment, Merry Christmas, is from the paper pack, that same cozy Christmas. And what mini slimline right here, I'll put the name of this one, kind of like a zigzag. Love, love, love. It comes in mini slimline and full-size slimline. And so I used it here on this card. And I used it here, this one, for that sentiment. And layered it up. Ready to go. Cute little shakety shake card for Christmas. Love, 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 love. And these shaker kits, great fun for adults and kids alike. Alrighty. And I will put links below for the ones that I received, and also a general link for the shaker kits in case you want to look at some of the other ones. Some folks turned it into Halloween and Christmas, and ooh, cute. Cute, cute, cute. Just a cuteness overload. Let me now show you more shaky bits. Here is a whole line. Now, Kat has some of these, but these are her new colors. Take a gander at the goodness. Love. Kat already has some solid round confetti sequins. These are some new colors added to that collection. So I will put a general link, and then I'll put a link for all of these beauties. We have like a peach, 2 shades of green, few shades of pink, this mother of pearl, a blue, and then these cute gold tones here. You can use this for fall, if you do your Christmas in golds, birthday, Happy New Year. Yep, these are fantastic for birthday. Look at that. Adds movements in your card, and you just saw it in action over here. There we go. See the shaky bit? That's the mother of pearl. Okay. Love these. So definitely check these out. Has a great price point too. Pretty, 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 pretty. Next, we have some new Christmas confetti. She has a whole line of Christmas confetti already. I'm going to put one general link for all her embellishments, and you'll see what I'm talking about. It's extensive, which is great. Choices. But there's some new sprinkles here. Magical Christmas sprinkle. There's the mouse ears again here. Christmas confetti sprinkles. Love these colors. The more minty. This is more standard green. The reds, the white. This one, snowflake parfait mix. Look at those colors with the purples and the pinks and the blues. Icy, kind of like the movie Frozen. That, I used some of the snowflakes in here. Oh, I'm getting all my glitter. In the shaky bits. You see it? And then there's also this one. All the trimmings sequins mix. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Alrighty, crafters. So we even have more goodies. Now, this is more of like your birthday, all year round, not super themed, okay? So you can use it on any card, is what I'm trying to say. Here are some more enamel dots. We have clear enamel dots, like raindrops. So cute. We have white enamel dots, all different sizes. And also black enamel dots. Perfect for Halloween. Yes. Then more of these wonderful beads. See, if you want your shakers to have that kind of sound, this is what you're looking for. Oh, here, I should have put this with my Christmas set. Christmas dot sprinkles in fun, bright colors. Rainbow dot sprinkles, birthday and beyond. Pearl glass sprinkles. That's everything. You could even use this for wedding and baby shower, bridal shower with this kind of colorway. Pearl dot sprinkles. Love. Then we have the resin clay confetti sprinkles. These are the colors. Rainbow confetti, yellow, aqua. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's look at the aqua. Ooh, ooh. See the colorway? Love. Blue confetti sprinkles and blue jay. So there you go. Baby boy. You could get these 2 packs together, mix them up. Maybe add some of this shaky shake. There you go. You're definitely making cards for kids. This is cool. They can see the shaker card, play with it, and then also hear it. So that's nice with these dots. And then there's some pearl mix. These come in different sizes, but it's a small scale, which is perfect. Sometimes you don't want the big pearls on your A2 card. On a big 5x7 card, it's not an issue, but on a smaller card, bigger pearls become like, okay, I'm not using those. These are small ones, which is nice. And we have here Caribbean blue, like the ocean. And then this one, orange creamsicle. Super pretty. This is like a teal. And here, this one is like a orangey. Definitely can be used for Halloween. And this one can translate into all year round. And then last, we have the pretty present sprinkles. Little gift boxes. Cute, cute. If you do a lot of cruising projects, cruising cards, you could definitely use these to represent the ocean if you're doing any scrapbooking also for your cruise. These are great right here with the enamel dots. represents the water and all the fun. Alrighty, crafters, I just wanted to show you Kat's new awesome release. Fun, fun, fun. Also, on Saturday, check out her Instagram hop. I will put the picture right here so you can hop along to win a prize. Yay! So check out this release. Look at all the details below if you're interested. Definitely get some of these sprinkles because great price point, and they just add that wow, shakety shake fun to your cards. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye!